In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a meeting on Zoom. It's quite easy. All we have to do is open Zoom. Let's log into our account. It is important to know that if we do not have an account, it will not allow us to create a meeting. So I will click on sign in and I will log in with Google. You can log in with another platform, either Facebook or directly with your email. I just logged in here and it tells me to open Zoom meetings. In this case, I will go open it there and this page will appear. Here, it's as easy as going to the orange button that says New Meeting. We also have options to join, schedule, and share the screen. How does this work? If we click on Schedule, we can also create a meeting, but scheduled, which means we can set it for a specific date. For example, we might not want to meet right now at 2 p.m., and we might not even want to meet today, January 14th, but rather we want to meet on January 20th. At 2 p.m., we will specify how long the meeting will last, whether it will be 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or if it will last longer in hours rather than minutes. Here in the time zone, it shows Bogota because I am from Bogota, but we can set the time zone in case we are in Puerto Rico, the USA, La Paz, Santiago, or wherever you want. Once we schedule it, all the settings for the day of the meeting are generated automatically. If we want participants to enter with an access code, meaning not everyone can join, only those with this code, we leave this option. Otherwise, we can set it to enter through a waiting room. When there is a waiting room, they must apply, and only if someone accepts them can they enter the meeting. Then, in video settings, we can choose for the person to appear with the video on as soon as they join, meaning their webcam is on. In this case, we can select the host, which is us, and our camera is always activated. If not, we can set it to off. The same goes for participants. We can decide if we want their camera to turn on when they join or if they should start with the camera off. Next is the calendar. If we want it to be scheduled through the Outlook calendar, which is basically Hotmail, or through the Google Calendar, it is recommended to leave it on Google Calendar. Here we have advanced options, such as whether we allow participants to join at any time, if participants should enter muted or with the microphone on when they join, in this case, muted. Then, we can choose to record the meeting as soon as it starts and save it on our PC or laptop. Finally, we can authorize or block the entry of users from specific regions or countries, in case we have. There are many countries that will join our meeting, such as people from Spain, Chile, Uruguay, Venezuela, and Argentina. If we don't want anyone from a specific region to join, we can simply block people from that location. To schedule it, I click on Save and it says Scheduling. Here, it prompts me to enter my email, and I click Continue. This is to schedule it through the calendar, and as you can see, it is basically scheduled for the 14th. Here in Zoom, the meeting is fully scheduled, and we even receive an email directly. That includes the link to the meeting. And in case we don't want to schedule it, but simply want to start one, then we click here. I will turn off the video. We click on New Meeting, and the meeting automatically starts here. It says Connecting, so we enter the audio through the computer. And here we already have our meeting. So you may perhaps be wondering how to allow people to join this meeting. And it's very easy. We simply go to where it says Participants, click on the arrow, and then select Invite. Here, we can choose to invite by contacts or by email. If not, we can just go to where it says Copy Invitation Link. Click on Copy Invitation Link. And with that link, anyone who pastes it into their browser will be automatically directed to join our meeting. Once they join, they will appear here with us so we can talk. And that's it. That would be all.